Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle. Binary puzzle in the additional of the weekend edition. Yeah, weekend edition Saturday, Sunday, February the 24th, 25th, 2024. Today it's actually Sunday. And I've already solved 2 puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left in this additional, the Jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. Yes, it's a binary time. And this one will be number, I believe, 8072. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. And we have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here in the last column, so the rest are O's. Finish in 2 minutes. Wow, this one is very quick to solve. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle in this additional, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.